information about online business. Anong kumpanya pa man, anong company ang pinapasukan mo, anong network marketing company ang kung saan member ka, you have always to separate from the competition. In any business, there is always a competition. So, you have to separate yourself in order that maging successful ka sa business mo. Okay? Dahil kung ang gagawin mo ay parehas lang sa ginagawa ng mga amateur network marketers or online entrepreneurs, matatagalan ka sa unlad sa business mo. Okay? So, I want you to imagine this. Gusto kong imagine mo na nasa isang kumpanya ka wherein meron kang negosyo, online business. Okay, let's talk about online business. Let's be specific on this. Okay? Then, mayroon din mga tao, you are in a competition in business. So, ibig sabihin, mayroon din mga tao or mga kasama mo sa isang kumpanya wherein they have also a business. Okay? Pare-parehas kayo ang ginagawa. And you are selling the same products. Okay? Pare-parehas ang products na binibenta nyo. And you have the same compensation plan kung paano kumita sa kumpanya mo. Okay? And also, you have the same strategy on selling. Okay? Paano sisipan ang sarili mo kung pare-parehas ang ginagawa ninyo sa pagbenta or prospecting, okay, or pag-invite sa isang prospects, okay? And you do what the others do, yung ginagawa nila, sharing, tagging, messaging, in the chat box, and mailing more, okay? So, again, how will you separate from the entrepreneurs online so that you will succeed in your business? Paano mo ka talaga isiseparate ang sarili mo from the competition? Okay? Okay, now let's begin. Usapan natin what they don't do in their business. Anong ginagawa, ano ang hindi nila ginagawa sa kanilang negosyo online. So, mostly, extremely entrepreneurs online succeed because they do it a different way. Ang kaiba sa ginagawa ng karamihan, okay? Ang kabaliktaran ng ibang network marketers or entrepreneurs online na pare-pareho ang ginagawa, okay? They do not focus on the feature of the products. Hindi sila nag-focus sa feature ng products, okay? Feature, when say feature, yung physical, halimbawa, sabon, okay? Ang size niya, ang pangalan niya, it is a feature of products. They do not focus on the commissions they earn from the person who buy the products, okay? They do not stick on the old strategy of marketing. Ibig sabihin, hindi sila nag-focus lamang sa isang strategy wherein kung nakikita mo sinasabi ng sponsor mo o ng upline mo ay ganito ang gawin mo, if ganun lang ang ginagawa mo at hindi ka maging resourceful, you will never succeed in your business, okay? Lastly, mostly ang mga extremely entrepreneurs online na nagsasucceed, they find mentors so that they can follow what they do, okay? Dinoduplicate nila ang ginagawa nila so that matularan nila ang mga mentors na nagsucceed na sa field na yun, okay? So, what do they do? Anong ginagawa nila? They focus on the needs and solutions of the prospects, okay? Ano ang solutions ng kanilang problems, okay? Anong kailangan ng isang prospect, okay? Yun doon sila nagpo-focus wherein mas marami silang na-sponsor or marami silang nabebenta na products sa kanilang business, okay? They help the people first in the niche market. Hindi yung tipo na kapag mayroon silang nakita na isang prospect o nakausap na isang prospect ay bibentahan na, okay? The most people who succeeded in any business help first, okay? Hindi yung tipo na business ka na lang focus, okay? They build credibility and trust to the people around their circle. Ibig sabihin, when you say credibility, ay yung pagkatao mo, okay? The trust to the people, paano you will build a trust to them. Dahil kung hindi ka makakapag-build ng trust or else rapport, okay, to the people around you, you will never succeed in your business, okay? They gave more value to the prospect. Ibig sabihin, value, halimbawa, inspiring tips from the business and then motivational quotes, marami pang mga valuable contents na nakakatulong sa prospect, okay? They meet the needs, okay? As what I have said, they meet the need or they focus the needs, okay? Nami-meet nila ang mga industriya, okay, na nahihirapan at nag-fail and then they quit because wala silang leader, okay? Walang nag-lead sa kanila, paano ba gawin ng tama ang negosyo, okay? And then the successful entrepreneurs also, okay, they train people kung ano ang tutunan nila ng mga bagay na pwedeng makatulong sa isang negosyo, okay? They share it, ibig sabihin nito ay tinuturo nila, okay, kung ano ang mga natutunan nila in their past trainings o anong nabasa nila, ay they teach them, okay? They motivate people also, okay? And they continue on growing, okay? Ibig sabihin, hindi sila ibig sabihin, hindi sila nag-focus or hindi lang sila sabihin nito, stick in that information, okay? They keep on reading, they keep on watching trainings, they keep on attending seminars, o kaya sila nag-grow. One time I remember that one of my friend sinabi sa akin, ano bang nangyari sa iyo at you are parang maraming nagbago sa iyo, the way you talk, the way you pronounce, the way you say things about life, or parang may nagbago sa iyo, okay? So that's if you will continue on growing, dahil kung hindi ka parang ano lang yan, parang isang puno, kung hindi ka magko-continue on how to grasp or digest some knowledge from the others, ay walang mangyayari sa iyo, okay? So the next one, how they become valuable. Paano nagiging valuable ang isang online entrepreneurs na successful, okay? They read every day, okay? They digest every knowledge they acquire. Hindi yung tipo na meron silang natutunan at hindi nila ina-apply, okay? They apply, okay? They digest that and then they put into action, okay? They shared what they learned. So ganon, nagiging valuable sila dahil nakikita sila na hindi sila, ibig sabihin nito, madamot, okay? They share what they learn, okay? They increase skills in their business. Yung mga skills on how, tulad na lang, how to gain traffic, how to, mga how-tos, okay? That's the skills, how-tos. They are elastic and can easily adjust. Ibig sabihin, kapag mayroong nag-criticize sa kanila, sa kanilang negosyo, they can adjust easily. Mostly the extremely successful entrepreneurs, okay, ay mga open-minded, okay? And also, okay, they do not let other people distract them. Kapag mayroong nag-criticize na nakaka-distract sa kanila, and also they do not focus on the things na unimportant in their business, okay? They do not talk to unwanted people. Ibig sabihin, yung mga taong walang halaga, hindi nila kinakausap about your business, okay? And one thing also, the secret of the extremely successful entrepreneurs, they hang out to the positive people, okay? Yung makakatulong sa kanila, okay? Sabi pa nga, same feather, okay? Same feather flocks together. When we say, if you want to be rich, go on to the rich people. At nasa kanon, mahawa ka sa kanilang mga ginagawa. Kung gusto mo na maging hindi successful, huwag kang sumama sa mga successful na tao sa kanilang negosyo, okay? Sabihin lang natin na kung gusto mo talagang yumaman, you have to attract things to be wealthy, okay? Okay? So as what I have said, okay, do not focus also on the one strategy. Kapag sinabi sa'yo ng ano mo, ng sponsor mo na ganito ang gawin mo lang, okay, do not focus on that, okay? Sabi ko pa kanina, stick on one strategy, keep on growing, dahil kapag mag-focus ka lang sa isang strategy, you will never grow and you will never have an income in your business, okay? Keep on going every day. Whatever failures that comes in your business, keep going every day, dahil one time darating ang oras na magkakaresulta ka, okay? And also the successful entrepreneurs, they are dedicated in their business, okay? Hindi nila pinagpapaliban ang kanilang gawain. Sabihin natin, at this time meron silang gagawin, they do it, okay? They do it whatever happen, okay? And they have a specific goals, okay? Hindi yung marami kang goals at saka ang nangyayari, hindi mo na-achieve ang ganung mga bagay, okay? So, and also the last thing na natutunan ko na gusto ko rin matutunan mo, they take a risk, okay? And learn learn how to manage it. Okay? Ano-anong mga risk. No? Ibig sabihin, kapag if you are doing the wrong strategy, it's okay because you can adjust in some other time. You can go into the plan B. If the plan A did not work, you can go into the plan B. Okay? Sabi pa nga, there are so many letters in the alphabet. If the plan A will not work, go on for letter B, ang plan B. Okay? So again, thank you for watching this short training. I hope you got this value. Meron kang natutunan sa training na to. And if you want some more ideas and tips, you can visit my website www.manimarawan.com, and you can also get my free ebook at www.manimarawan.com at ebook for free. Just click this link and put into your URL or to your sabihin natin browser. You can get this immediately, and you can add or message me in Facebook, www.facebook.com.marmara. Okay? So again, thank you for listening. Have an awesome day, my friend. And I have a quote for you. Sabi pa nga ni Eric Ware na uh, it is a stone cold fact that we have a better way. Okay? Thank you and